Alex always stayed quiet. In school, he never raised his hand. In conversations, he only listened. Not because he didn't want to speak, but because he was afraid. Afraid people would not understand him. Afraid he would say the wrong words. Afraid he was not good enough. English felt like a wall. Tall, cold, impossible. One night, Alex watched a video. A normal person speaking English confidently. He thought, if they can do it, maybe I can too. He made a promise. 30 days. No excuses. Day 1 felt strange. He spoke slowly. Every word felt heavy. Day 5 felt frustrating. He forgot words. He made mistakes. He wanted to stop, but he didn't. Day 10 felt different. His voice was stronger. His fear was smaller. Day 18 felt exciting. He understood videos without subtitles. For the first time, he smiled while learning. Day 24 felt powerful. He spoke without thinking too much. And then Day 30 arrived. Alex turned on his camera. He spoke. Not perfectly. Not like a native. But confidently. And that was enough. Because 1 month ago he was silent. Now he had a voice. And he was never going back.